Hi, readers and deep thinkers. How are you? Welcome to my channel. It's me, Miss Pat. And today we are going to practice the sounds of our alphabets, the sounds of our ABCs. Did you know that there are 26 letters in the English alphabet? Yeah. And so I'm going to come a little closer to the camera because I really want you guys to see what my mouth is doing, okay? Because that's very important when we're trying to practice our alphabet sounds. Okay, here we go. A, ah, ah, ah. B, 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 b. C, k, k, k. D, 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 d. E, eh, eh, eh. F, G, 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 g. H, I, 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 I. J, 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 j. K, 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 k. L, 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 l. M, N, O, P, 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 p. Q, qu, qu, qu. R, S, 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 S. T, 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 T. U, V, 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 V. W, 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 W. X, 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 X. Y, 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 Y. Z, 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 Z. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Did you hear that? That was A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And those were the sounds of our alphabets. Wasn't that fun? So I want you to practice those sounds. Watch these videos until you get those sounds down, because once you learn those sounds, then you can start reading words, and then you're reading. And once you read, oh my gosh, you just learn so many wonderful things. You become so smart. You have so much knowledge that you can go on and share with other people around you. Yes. So practice your reading. Stay curious about the world around you. Ask your grown-ups lots of questions and practice your sounds. Read, 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 and come back and see me again. Bye.